Hello friends, in this lecture we are going to learn about how to earn money online through Steemit platform. Now let's go. What is Steemit? Steemit is a very innovative blockchain based blogging platform. It's same like Facebook and various blogs on Google, but it is different the way it pays out. Under Steemit there are two ways of earning money. One is through blogging and second is through upvoting, or what we call in Facebook is liking. Like when under Facebook we like any post, under Steemit we upvote any post and we can earn money. Now the way Steemit works is that it doesn't have works on advertisements or anything. It pays you based on the post, and you can see this is the page of steemit.com. And now you can see that there many people are earning money based on their post and nothing else. It is revolutionizing the traditional way of blogging, the way traditional ways of blogging worked. Like under Google, if you start your own blogs, you have to make investment on the blog, and then you have to post many, like 50 to 100 posts on that blog post. And after doing a lot of SEO, you have to invest money and time both on the blog to go do any SEOs. And after months and years of continuously blogging and doing SEO, you can earn money based on the ad impressions on your blogs, and that's how you earn on blogging on Google, right? And there's a calculation on Google, like for thousands, roughly around thousands of ad impressions on any blog post will get you $1 per thousand impressions. Or the second way is affiliate marketing, but it takes hours and months and years to earn any single penny from from the traditional way of blogging. While Steemit has changed and revolutionized the way the blogging works. Under Steemit, you don't have to invest any money. You don't have to make any monetary investment on Steemit. Only you have to do is to sign yourself up on this network. Once you sign yourself up, you can start blogging. It's a very interactive way. You just have to write your title. Like here, this is a title, and you have to write whatever you want to write, upload any pics, and that's only. You can write anything, and there is no specific skill sets that you have to write about. You can see people are writing on anything they want. They can even share their video logs, they can daily logs, or any kind of thoughts, expressions, quotes, whatever you want to share, you can share on the network. And if people liked that thing, they will upvote. If they like what you shared, they will upvote, and the more they upvote, the more earning you get. There is a formula through which you earn, wherein what you earn money based on the calculation of the views and upvoting. The ratio of the upvotes and views that you get, you earn money on this network. And you can see many people are earning from $400, $300, $200, $600 per post. And this is not like this has been days. For example, you can see here this post has been uploaded 2 days ago, and within 2 days this guy Charbas has earned $612 just with one post. 2,175 upvotes, and he earned 612 $612 on this post. And you can see it's nothing big thing that is sharing. He's just sharing a quote. If you look into this post, you see he's just giving quotes, nothing new, nothing big. He just shared a quote and wrote about what he thought about that quote, and he's earning good $59 for this post. 308. It's just 10 hours ago he upvoted and he earned $59. This 2 days ago, learn to appreciate the grit, and he earned approximately $612 on the post. You see, he's just uploading posts on the network and earning a good amount of money. $1,000. 17 days ago he just uploaded one post, and he earned $1,000 on that post. So you see, it's very simple, and it's a legitimate site, and you can earn money directly. It's not starting from your first post. You can earn money on this network. The only thing is, you have to share something, or it should be liked by the people on the network, or it should be upvoted by the people on the network. You see, for example, if we talk about this person, he started on January 2018, and it's been 8 months since he has started, and he have given 930 posts and has 9,000 followers. So you see, this is the main thing actually. You have to build followers, and for that you have to keep on posting on it. So it's, if this person has made a good amount of followers on it, so on his network, so he's been posting daily, every day. See, every day he's just posting one network and one post, and been earning $50 to $100 to $1,000. But that's because he has built good followers since and he has uploaded 930 posts since last 8 months, and now he has paid out. So you see, under Steemit you can earn money starting from day one, and I can show you. Even you just sign up the network and you just introduce yourself on this network, and you can earn money. Like, I'll show you. Introduce yourself. If you can see, I'll show you. Like, this is, let's see, go on this trending post, introduce yourself. For example, this guy, he introduced himself and he earned approximately 40 votes upvotes and earned $20 just upvoting himself. Introducing himself. For example, see this guy, he's just a new member. He signed up to Steam and he just started 3 days ago. He introduced himself on the network and just uploaded his photos and what he does, what this guy do, who he is, and he earned $16. People welcome him on this. Like, see, people are welcoming him on the network, and he earned $16. So you see, you can earn money just by signing up on the network and just by introducing yourself to the network. People will welcome you by upvoting, and you can earn money through Steemit. It's a legitimate site to earn good passive income. So every day you can spend just 1 hour on uploading some posts and you can earn money. The main idea of Steemit is to be consistent, and the main idea under any blog is to be consistent, whether you go through the traditional way or you go through the trained Steemit. What you have to keep on doing is you have to keep on uploading every day, at least one post a day, single post a day, or 1 or 2 posts in a week. And if you do that, people will notice that you are continuously posting good content, and it's not required that it should be, the language should be very good or high level language, or it should be very good post. I showed you that many people are just uploading daily quotes on the network. I can show you that people are just uploading quotes every day, normal quotes, motivational and such kind of quotes, and they are earning good money. Like, if we go on this network and see this person, he or she just gave one quote, shared one quote, and earned $36. It's just yesterday, 24 hours, and they earned $36 on the network. See, this person, he just uploaded a quote, a photo quote, and he earned approximately $50, 115 votes and $15 on the network. So you see, you don't need much of a better writing skill or like that. Still, if you have a good writing skill, you can earn more money, but it doesn't matter. If you can share your thoughts or even share some good things on the network, quotes, you can earn $8, $10, $20 per post. The thing is to be consistent on the uploading post on the network, and within some time people will notice you and they will start following you, and the more they follow you, the more is the chances that they will upvote you, and the more you will earn on the network. It doesn't take more than 20 or 30 minutes or 1 hour a day, but within 1 hour a day you can make money from $9 to $36. You can earn $1 also, you can earn $36. It is a good passive income. As I showed, many people on the network are earning thousands of dollars daily, hundreds and thousands of dollars daily. You can see this guy is just uploading posts and he's earning $600, $200, $715. That's a good amount of money daily they are making. So it's a good way. The another way to earn money on Steemit is through upvoting. And yes, under Steemit, people who upvote also get money, certain amount of money. For example, if we see this post where people have earned, well, people have upvoted 3,435 votes. So the thing would be that this $1,000 would be shared between the blogger and the upvoter. The sharing would be based on the blogger. The blogger has to choose how he wants to share this network. Either he wants to keep 100% of the money, or he wants to share 60%, 50, or he wants to share 60% and 40% of the earning on the network, and that depends on the blogger. But majorly people go on a 50-50 percentage so that they can get more upvotes on their future blogs. But the more you upvote, and there's nothing to do, only you just log in, you can read any blog that you like, you just go here, press this button, and you can upvote and you can earn money. However, there are some tricks to that, but we'll share that in the next lecture about how to upvote and earn money and how it works. But ultimately you can see that this is the new way of blogging, and you can earn money starting from the single day you sign up on this network. You just upload, and this is a legitimate website. So now let's wrap this lecture, and in the next lecture I'm going to share about how to get this money from Steemit network to your bank accounts, how it pays every 7 days, how the money is distributed to you, and also another concept of Steemit, that is DTube. It is also one of the innovative vlogging concept like YouTube, of DTube, where you can earn money in different other ways. Also on the next lecture I'll share about how you can money just by upvoting, and you don't have to blog on this, but you can earn money through upvoting. So we'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you.